And we are in front of the new Knaus Boxtime 630 MX for the 2026 year with this price, final price of 89,912. And it looks like you will have a big amount of storage on the back. We shall be entering now inside to check all the specs and features of this great looking campervan. Firstly, towering fridge in front. Entering, we will have slightly less space in this one because we are maximizing the back side, but well, you get at least one cabinet with this mesh design to make it even lighter. They're losing a lot of weight here. And then we have this cabinet, actually not so deep, slightly designed like that, and a long working space, two burners and one sink, and then three large cabinets all around. Not bad at all. And then additional cabinet storage right up there. And the new designed toilet with Tatet for cassette toilet, big sink, some storage, and the key feature, well, amazing. A lot of space to take shower and clothes inside without any water spills, getting around like that. And now checking the big bed that also you can raise and lower whatever you want. So we can try to measure the bed, but it's extremely long. It's about, let's measure like that, well, 1.8, almost 1.9, and to the hanging part is 1.9, so almost 2 meters on each side, with a lot of sleeping space. And that cabinets that are not so deep, but with this material that make this complete van pretty light, saving weight for your other belongings. And going out and around, checking the garage space because it's enormous. Yep. So you can lift up and down this part. And measuring the garage space, we are looking at 1.731, and the widest part 1.1. So you can load a couple of bikes if you take the front wheel without any problem. So this is the new Knaus Boxtime 630